Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to disable Google Chrome notifications on Android. Alright, let's begin. I currently have a Samsung Galaxy phone here, but you can use any Android phone. So, first open up your Google Chrome. I'm inside the Google Chrome browser, as you can see. Now, in order to do that, click the three dots on the upper right hand side, and then tap on Settings. Then you want to scroll all the way down to Site Settings and open that. You'll see the notifications option. Go ahead and tap on it. From here, you can easily disable this feature. If you have this enabled, you'll also see ways you can add websites or even remove websites from your block list if you so desire. But to disable notifications, just toggle this off. So that's basically how you can disable Google Chrome notifications on Android. And that's it for this video. If you found this helpful, consider subscribing and giving this a big thumbs up. Thanks.